Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Felix Apia political zone na okase na nesa mo kan ina ne say eya his excellency N.Addo Danko Akufo-Addo yebeka ya 2016 abro ye ne campaign no ensema na o kan ina ne say yento abanema no na free SHS oba ya oba beye na NDC fo so na machi oh free SHS nya de betimi abem his excellency o mampenda da John Dramani Mahama beka say free SHS no nya de a N.Addo obo betimi ayentima na yento abanema no NDC full tran advert in N.Addo. His Excellency be President 2017 or the free SHS by obi akobi. Nene na abofra baako Felix Echere say. Okobi sa ne maame abofra no ko ne maame ho. E no bi sa ne say nti wo papa no oye NDC ni a wo ko free SHS ne de afa ne se pin. E na maame ne say ne kona koka cho papa say ne mgu ase odi go His Excellency N.Addo Danko Akufo-Addo no jai because free SHS no aboa no nyena N.Addo anta free SHS kan ebe ntumi nkobi so so no de NDC echi yenti ensema Felix ede etu
na me ne sister bi edi nkomo anope ansa na meba uni ma sno ka kire me
debio
o se ne ba papa ye NDC ni makwa na akwada ne be sra no no obi sa ne say enti papa o de uko free education no eye ne de na akwala ne se koli eye ne papa de pa enso ne papa ko jira campaign ho a o ka se free education enye na o ka na se bi say onu say enam sebe education na wanyentino opportunities be brave when ya both NDC in penny 4 MPP in penny 4 near the other but still it's also ba could be the opportunity be to host Cynthia opportunity na ba ye no don e no omubisa ne say
Ebusafo ensem way na Felix Apia ede atudwa
offer the SS certificate mra don eno anu no oni bi
Uncle school
don only bi no e bi anko opportunity bi anka ebeboa no a block it. So what you say? Enti yes, me NDC ni na so sanhyehyeye we di eboa. Enti ben kodi wo party e chinka say and free education 419 free education ya papa free because say ye chekodi medi kaya ye ni ade e beba mu no e be buru bibia. It is always about systems making our institutions work. Dem judge kwens injina ho say MP before a copy. But then, you be parliament now, call your crowd for about 2.5 years. No, a dear no to me, a year or no to me raise the year. He cannot call anything. Eh, Anya she cry, who say, Okuda took a Kaure without broker. What they as a president, you could go pray me at Tenenka. Eh, some George, a bit now on my government business to be uncle, so at Tenenka. I will agree to the Munta Kama Butu ballot box at Tenenka or no idea what is why of parliament. So if such a person comes to tell you, say, NPP a copy, my brother, we just have to take him as somebody who don't know even why he's even standing as an MP. Don MP, or you are quite.
There be a juma.
MP and you, MP, or you.
There be. Or bet me I love it.
Water and sanitation, and I'm a boy. Maybe your bay and say, if you are back bay ministry, Nick, just a man, may I, my media, Miss Ramon, 100 day you. Because Sika cry at the Bayano. Yeah, MP
consolidated fund assembly, yeah.
DC for president ya name no. One of the just can come.
Yeah, no correct.
Eti wo a wugina say me jati kwes ndi ama ben obi obefa Ghana sika ba ku kredi asen no sika ba kredi men pene na ono ojo oyodita jati kwes no sabe oya accountant general no we say sika bi afa oh they just like to use populist ways to just like their followers and me now me just say and at this time here these people would have seen say there be Yama Jachi question and yet the right thing. And yes, sir, seat way will be gone and gone forever. Yeah? Same way standing there. There is this guy called send your friend. What's the name of this guy? Kalsopoku, that the MPP went to elect yesterday.
Yeah.
Don, okay, your constitution anymore, eh? Last, me no can be, me boy. Say me no can constitution.
Yeah.
The article is the case, yeah. Me no can be. And you call a year chapter 10. Mewa.
Yeah.
You call chapter 10 no. And chapter 10 the car say, Sabi, se wonye Ghana niya, untumi ye den enjina entu aba. And that's chapter 10 the car.
Yeah.
Chapter 10 also say criminal charges be pende wa so a untumi metna o say wa kofa form say o be be DMP ana mebwa.
Sa.
It say obi a ye bie sebe criminal charge e dia to ne so a onyan court kra na yendi na asem nka so okay e bia obeko appeal and say bibi no. How can you tell me say that person you are going to take that person to go to an election? Oh that we chitafo no. Na so okone disqualify na we be tinawa ba be ka say hey MPP for the kwan be the area seat na frimo. Done. 2024 NDC will lose this seat. Menyina so nie chapter 10 article 94 D no. Say uko D na. D ne say a person is not okay cannot be. Please hold on. D. A person cannot be a member of parliament if he has been found by the report of a commission or a committee of an inquiry to be incompetent to hold public office, or it's a person in respect of whom a commission of or committee, okay, of inquiry has found that while in the public office he has acquired assets unlawfully. Now, if you misuse, abuse his office, or willfully acted in a manner prejudicial to the interests of the state, and the findings have not been set aside or on appeal or judicial review. Now, you know, or say is under sentence of death or other sentence of imprisonment imposed on him by any other court. Do you see that side? This is the AU in America, the Constitution in America.
Article 94, yeah.
94. Now, Uko Jiwa say, Onye Juma. Don Onye Juma. Na dia ya woman say, anka wafa advantage of free education bi na anka all better no ho kra anka beboa no. And then na minister bi edin komo anope ansa na meba. Uni ma small ka kire me.
Debut.
O se ne ba papa ye NDC ni mapa. Na akwada ne be sra no obisa ne say, entu papa o de uko free education no eye ne de. E na akwala ne say koli eye ne papa de pa. E so ne papa ko jira campaign ho a o ka say free education enye. And all can I say, you say, or you say, and now sabi education now when you opportunities be when you both NDC in penny 4, MPP in penny 4 near the other, but still, it's also could be the opportunity but two sisters Cynthia. Opportunity in the buy and done. And no Omubisa say, Uncle Fanny SS certificate in done and one only be.
Uncle School.
Done only be, Bianco opportunity Bianca Bebuano, a block it. So what you say? And yes, me NDC ni now so sans share way the bois. And the man could do party I think that's it. And a free education for 19. Free education ya papa free because say you choco di lady. Kaya ye ni adi ebebemuno ebeburu bibia. It is always about systems. Making our institutions work. Them judge is in say